What's up, you guys? This is Hope, Ashley Hope, and I'm coming to you with a video on a slick bun tutorial. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be talking about a lot of stuff. I'm going to be talking about these flowers and everything in it. This is the look. And I hope you enjoy this video. Today I'm going to be doing a slick back ponytail, like slick down. Right now my hair is all out. I just got my lighting. I've always had this background where I live, but I just was manipulating it and moving it around. These flowers are, my mom made them. My mom made the flowers. Loving my background. I'm liking the whole view and everything. So hopefully you can see my hair real good in this video. So let's get started. I'm gonna wet my hair down. And then I'm gonna part my part. I like my part on the left side. I've been kind of switching it up a little bit. You can kind of see a little part right there. But just take it and part it. I wetted it down with a little bit of water. So in this video, what you're gonna need is a comb, a brush, some gel, and some edge stuff. I got me a part. I'm going to take a little bit of edge tamer and kind of like fill it down. It's the Shining Gem. Don't be scared to brush your hair, just take it and brush it down. If you have a thicker, coarser hair than the Shining Gem, you might not want to use. I just recently seen, I've been using on my clients, it's a 48-hour edge tamer. That stuff is so thick, but you need something a little bit more waxier, a little bit more thicker to help hold your hair, your edges down. I have a lot of clients that say I do put edge tamers on, but when I put it on, it's down, but then like throughout the day, it, you know, it doesn't lay down. You would just, what you would do is you would just put the edge tamer on, and then I would put just a little bit of gel on top of it. Sometimes it'll flake up, so make sure you have your hair oiled before you put any other product on it, because that can kind of help. Just take it, put it on your edges, don't use a lot, and just slick your edges down. Take a brush and slick it down. And if you don't wear styles where your hair is slicked down all the time, sometimes it'll take a few days or, you know, some time for your hair to be trained to stay slicked down so it won't, you know, jump back up. But if you're wearing like twist outs or you're wearing like stuff with your hair out all the time, your hair isn't trained to stay slicked down all the time. So you have to make sure the night before, slick your hair down and just wrap it down real tight, tie it down real tight, and just train your hair to stay down straight for long periods of time. But it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. So you're going to have to, you know, have patience and just work with your hair. Don't be scared of it. Just work with it. Hair. Slicking natural hair down is no joke. It takes some arm strength and some prayer to be able to slick this hair down. So I'm just taking it and slicking it down, and sometimes you have to put like some more water on it to kind of help it like stretch out a little bit to kind of smooth your hair out, so it'll kind of lay down a little bit more. And so I'm just taking a little bit of gel. I'm not using no Echo gel. I didn't have any. I got this good old-fashioned Pro gel that I'm gonna use on today. So I'm just, you know, working my hair back, just working its way back. Just working it back. curl pattern is looking good. It's easy to manage, but if your hair is dry, you're struggling with dryness and you're needing help with putting moisture back in your hair, it's kind of hard to manipulate your hair when it's not at a healthier state. So yeah, just moisture, getting your hair at a place where you can manage it. You can do slick back styles and it'll stay slicked down. It'll help. And if you don't have a stylist, I recommend that you get a stylist. You don't have to go every week and all that stuff. Just making sure that you're going and getting your hair trimmed and getting deep conditions, and just hearing from a professional on how to treat your hair is always good. Just another ear. I'm not sure which giveaway I'm going to be doing. It's either going to be hair or it's going to be paparazzi jewelry, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be lit. So I'm just taking it and putting some style to it, some courage. These earrings are from paparazzi too. Just some plain earrings. I like wearing like small earrings. So you got that around with it, and just do different, just to make it fun and cute. Some low hair that I found in my closet, some kinky twist hair that I left over. I don't want the bun really big because I want it to look, you know, kind of natural, but you know, whatever you like. And I just took, what I did was, this is the long piece I have, and I just took a rubber band and I just slid it on. So when I put it on, I'll just take this part and just wrap it around my ponytail, and then just wrap the hair around and pin it down. So you just take it and put it on like that. And then you have this long, it's kind of cute. Ooh. That's cute, but the way this little ball looking in the back, I'm pretty sure that's not cute from the back, but from the side it's cute. So I mean, like, if you have a long ponytail, like a drawstring ponytail, curly wavy drawstring that kind of like matches your hair, like this is a little wavy, so it kind of like matches my hair a little bit, that'd be cute, just hanging down. And you could put it in the bun, but today I'm gonna put it up in the bun because I need a little bit more hair than just this little piece. So what I'm gonna wrap it around the bun, wrap it around the bun that I have. And it kind of like closes in. You don't have to, don't do it real tight. You don't have to do it real tight. And then you take some bobby pins and pin it down. And just take it and pin it down. You don't need a lot of bobby pins. Just take it and put it in real quick. So here's how it looks. I'm gonna look from the back. So yeah. Something real cute. Hopefully it looks good. It looks good. I like it. So yeah, you just take it, and then like if you do this the night before, just tie your hair down real tight, and that should help it last throughout the week. without you having to, you know, redo. You might have to touch it up a little bit, but with the gel, edge tamer, and brushing it down real good, putting water on it first to kind of like soften your texture. Then you can moisturize it with the moisturizer, and then doing your edges first, slicking your edges down first, and then taking a brush and just brushing it down. I've seen some people do, like if you have really thick hair, just parting it and pulling it back in each layer, just parting it, brushing that down, parting it again, brushing that down, parting it again, brushing it down, and just brush it down till you have all of it slick, and that'll help you kind of like not be intimidated. I'm gonna try not to do real long videos, because unless it's like inspirational or I just get to rambling, but just take it and slick it down. And it doesn't have to be like real straight. Like if it's real wavy going back, that's real cute too. Like having it real wavy. Like I kind of like having it kind of like wavy, like it's not slick all the way down. It's just a little wavy going back with just a bun. Something cute and simple. Let me put my glasses on. Yeah. So that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm trying to think, should I recap on the stuff that I use? Okay, so I use gel, I use water, I had a brush, I had a comb. This is like a little raggedy comb. I used a brush, a water bottle. I have oil in this. In some other video, I'll go into detail with the kind of look. On my hair, I use like everything. I don't have like a specific regimen on what I use. I wear a lot of wigs, so my hair is not out a lot. It's always cornrow down, but I use some gel, and I use some Shine Jam, and of course the Miami Organics, because it used good. I just used a little bit of that, just like I said, for the smell, because I love the way it smells, and for the moisture too. A band, if you have a rubber band, and some pins to pin your hair down, and some willpower and energy, especially if you have a lot of hair, to slick your hair down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to, just down in the comments, just let me know what videos. Say I sell jewelry, and I do I'm a cosmetologist, so I do clients hair all the time, so I'm always hit with a whole bunch of different styles to do. So if you guys want to see something specific, just let me know and I'll record it. And yeah, just ask questions and let's stay connected. So now I'm going to leave you with a scripture for today before I head out. It says, the verse of the day, Romans 8:28. And we know that all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. So I just want to encourage you. You are called by God. And all things work together, whether good or bad. Sometimes when good things happen, we're like, oh, that's God. But sometimes too, when those bad things happen, those are just learning curves for us, and those are purpose-driven moments that we can learn from those bad moments that, you know, happens. Everything ain't the enemy. Sometimes it's something we bring our own selves into stuff too, but yeah, just know that all things work together, even the good and the bad. So I want you guys to be blessed. And again, this is Hope, Ashley Hope, with specializing in everything beautiful. You guys have a wonderful day. And too, these flowers, if you want my mom to, I'll probably bring my mom on just to show you how she makes these flowers. Like, they are bomb. Like, I would have my whole apartment full of flowers if I could. But yeah, if you want to see her make these flowers or come on and talk about them, or if you want to even order some, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments. And yeah, you guys have a great day and be blessed.